Good morning and welcome back. Today we shall discuss about triangle. Now what is triangle? What is triangle? Triangle is a closed figure. And closed by three lines which are not collinear. So non-collinear three lines. This is a figure, closed figure, bounded by three non-collinear lines. Okay. Let us denote these lines as AB, BC and CA in this picture. So you can see that a triangle has three sides and three angles. That is why it is triangle. Triangle means triangle. Three angles and three sides. Okay? So this is triangle. Now what are types of triangle? Various types of triangle. Scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. Okay. Three sides of a triangle A, B, C, that is AB, BC and CA. Let us denote the length as A, small b and small c. If A, B, C are not equal, A not equal B not equal C, this is called scalene. But if two sides are equal, suppose if you can draw A and C equal but not equal to B, then it is called isosceles. That is, two sides are equal. And if all the sides are equal, then it is called equilateral. Equilateral. A equals to B equals to C. So depending on the length of the sides, triangle is divided into three categories: scalene, isosceles and equilateral. Again, based on the angles, triangle can be differentiated. You know about acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle, isn't it? What is acute angle? The angle which is less than 90 degree is acute angle. What is obtuse angle? Angle which is greater than 90 degree. And what is right angle? Which is equal to 90 degree. So, if in a triangle all the angles are acute angle, like this, this is called acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Okay? But if one of the angles is obtuse, like this angle is obtuse angle, this is called obtuse angled triangle. And if one angle is a right angle like this is called right angled triangle. Okay, now one thing to be remembered, in all these cases, in any triangle, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. If you write it like ABC, this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, then A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. This is property number 1 of triangle. Sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. So it is clear, if you have an obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse angle, the other two angles must be acute angle. In case of right angle triangle also, if one angle is right angle, other two angles are bound to be acute angles. Okay? So this is property 1. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now property 2 of triangle is ABC, ABBC, CA. Second property is sum of the lengths of two sides is always greater than the third side. That is, just like the previous example, if it is A, B and C, then A plus B is always greater than C. Or if you choose B plus C is always greater than A. A plus C is always greater than B. You can choose any two sides, sum of those two sides, length of those two sides is greater than the third side. This is the second property of triangle. Sometimes you may have questions. Draw a triangle having sides of 9 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 18 centimeter. How can you draw? So this is a tricky question. You can see that 9 plus 7 is 16. This is lesser than 18. So sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. So no triangle can be drawn with sides 9 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 18 centimeter. This question can also come like this. Just 18 in the first position, 9 in the third position. Normally you students sum up the first two. So 18 plus 7 is 25 is greater than 9. So this is fulfilled. But you have to check all the three conditions. In any case, this should not be disobeyed. So you have to check all the three sums. 18 plus 7, 25 greater than 9, it's okay. 18 plus 9, 27 greater than 7, it's okay. But 9 plus 7, 16 is less than 18. This is not okay. Isn't it? Got the point? So this must be remembered. This is the vital property of triangle. And from this property also we can conclude another property which is not written in many of the books. That is, difference of the two sides is always less than the third side. What we learned from the previous property is a plus b greater than c. Just change side b to right hand side. A greater than c minus b. That is, difference of the two sides is less than the third side. This property is also used. This is no new property. This is derived from the previous one. But this thing must be put in mind that this check is also required when you are drawing a triangle or when you are asked to justify whether any triangle can be drawn with these three sides. This is also a check. The previous one was a check and this is also a check. Okay, so we conclude that difference in length of any two sides is less than the third side. Okay, so these three are very fundamental properties of a triangle. Now let us introduce another term, interior angle and exterior angle. If we draw one triangle like this, A, B, C, angle A, angle B, angle C, then if you extend any side to any direction, suppose in this direction, then the angle formed outside is called the exterior angle. Exterior angle at point C. Exterior angle at point C. Suppose you denote it like D. So angle ACD is the exterior angle at point C. Now the fourth property is this exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Two opposite interior angles. This angle C is called adjacent interior. Adjacent interior. Because this is adjacent with this angle. And this angle A and B are called opposite interior. Opposite interior angle. This is adjacent interior angle. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. That is, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This is one vital property of triangle. You can be asked to solve questions like this, which is application of this property. Suppose in a triangle, this is given 135 degree and these two opposite angles are in a ratio of 4:5. Find the angles of the triangle. Find the angles of the triangle. So as the ratio is 4:5, you can just conclude that let us take this as 4x and this as 5x. Okay? The property is the exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. That is 4x plus 5x equals to 135 degree. 9x equals to 135 degree. So x equals to 135 divided by 9 equals to 15 degree. Okay? So if x is 15 degree, these angles are, this one is 4x, that is 4 into 15, 60 degree. This one is 5 into 15, 75 degree. And the third angle is, you can derive this angle in two ways. First one is, as this BCD is a straight line, so this angle is 180 degree, isn't it? So you have got 135 here, the remaining is 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. Okay. And the second way is, sum of three angles is 180 degree. This is 75, this is 60. The last one is 180 minus this and this. It will also come to 45 degree. So this is the application of the fourth property we learned. Let us give one more example. Suppose in triangle ABC, this angle is 40 degree and AB equals to AC. So this is isosceles triangle. AB equals to AC. And one property you know, that in isosceles triangle, these base angles are same. So find out X and Y. Very simple problem. You can just pause the video and try yourself and return if you have solved. This is 40 degree. These two angles are equal because AB equals to AC. The sum of the three angles is 180 degree. Okay. So angle B and angle C, suppose this is X, X is there. You suppose write it like P and P. So P plus 40 degree equals to 180 degree. 2P equals to 140 degree. P equals to 70 degree. This is 70 degree. And this is the exterior angle when AB is extended. So you get X as 180 minus 70, 110 degree. Again in Y, in case of Y, similarly, this is 70 degree. So Y is 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. So these are simple application of the properties of triangle. Let us try a final problem. Find out X and Y. Simple. If you consider DBC as a straight line, this must be 180. The exterior angle is 110. So X degree is 180 degree minus 110 degree equals to 70 degree. Once you get it 70, this is given 40, and sum of three angles of a triangle is again 180. So you can write 40 degree this one plus 70 degree this one plus y degree equals to 180 degree. If you calculate, this becomes 110 70. So y is also 70 degree. What type of triangle is this? This is an isosceles triangle, because these two angles are equal. When two sides of a triangle are equal, the base angles are equal, and in reverse, if the angles are equal, you can conclude that these sides are also equal. So the triangle is an isosceles triangle. So these are simple problems on properties of triangle. In the next class, we will discuss about congruency. Thank you.